The topic of today's video is how to make resume on Overleaf. So once you signed up for Overleaf, this should be the first thing that you see. And what we're going to do here is you can either go to templates on the top or you can just go to browse templates. Either or will do the trick. And in here you can either search for CV or you can just scroll down. There's an option for it and you can pick any one of these templates. It's just much easier to go with a template. So let's just pick any one of these here. Let's pick this one, made by Sarah Lang. It looks pretty great and I do love me some Jack Sparrow. So what we want to do is click on open as template. Now you can work via the code editor here, but I would highly suggest going to the visual editor. And within the visual editor, you can much easier see what you're actually going to be editing. So if we scroll down on the left, it's going to show us what we can edit, or we can edit any of these lines, and on the right is the final product. We can also click on the side tabs here and we can change any of these pictures if we want to. Well, we would definitely want to. So here on file outline, also on the side tab here, we can just move through each section, makes it much easier. And let's just edit. Let's edit a line here. Let's change the captain certificates to, yeah, that'll do. And now in order for your change to actually show, what we need to do is go to the top and say recompile. And that'll begin recompiling all the information. And if we look under certificates and grants 1708, we'll see RISLess. And that is how you do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.